YouTube channel. If you're new here, hit the subscription button and feel at home. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you hacks to flawless foundation. These are hacks that can work with any skin tone products. All you need to do is to switch products that works to your face. Actually, these products are very affordable. So I'm going to show you how to avoid having, best makeup, feeling like you're wearing heavy makeup, like you have layers and layers and layers of makeup, but rather have a flawless finishing and light makeup. Number 1, taking good care of your skin, like having a good skin care routine. Yes, from cleansing to moisturizing, just do what works for you. Actually, if you want me to do a skincare routine video, just hit me up on the comment section and I'll do it. Like right now, I have already moisturized and done my brows, so we just go right into it. Number 2, primer. Primer. It makes whole lot of difference. Like applying a primer. If you have oily, dry, normal skin type, all you need to do is find a good primer that works. Right now I'm using Becca primer, which actually is an oil control primer. It works for me because I have a very oily face. So mostly I'm applying on my T-zone because I'm very oily. Number 3. You just want to make sure, like when you're applying your foundation, you have good lighting. This will help you see how you are blending in your foundation, the areas that are not like well blended in. It will save you also a lot of time. So number 4, use of facial oil. If you want to go for a lighter makeup or you don't want your face to feel cakey at the end of the day, you can mix your foundation with facial oil. Even baby oil can work. So just take a pump of your foundation, put it into your hand, then the oil that you prefer, then mix it, then blend the foundation plus oil nicely. You spread it nicely, you blend it in. You will have a flawless finish. That one I can guarantee you. You will end up using less foundation. Your makeup is going to feel very light, and also the oil part makes your foundation not appear cakey. Yeah. Number 5, make sure you warm up your foundation. Your foundation have a pump. Make sure you put it to your hand instead of like applying it direct to your face. Let your hand warm it a little bit before you applying it to your face, because it will be easier to blend it out. Because when you apply it into your face directly, it's a little bit, it's still cakey, it's still very matte. I'm using Zaron Health Glow Foundation, shade 20. Yeah, I love it. I really do. Step 6, if you're going to use beauty blender, make sure it's wet. I know a lot of people know this. Dip it in the water first for easier application. Step 7, if you're applying your foundation, make sure you do it from center of your face. From the center of your face, then you blend nicely outward. I love using beauty blender because it's very easy to blend in your foundation, because you can be able to press the product into your skin. If you prefer using foundation brush, apply it like use downward strokes. You don't want going around, because that might fill in your pores and it can make your foundation cakey. If you use your brush correctly, make sure you use your hand to put the product in. And if it's maybe your first time applying foundation, I recommend you go for beauty blender. Another hack, settle for one layer. But if you feel like maybe here you have something that's showing, please go in with your concealer shade, not like highlighting concealer. No, your concealer shade to do that. So for me to be able to show you the full results. I'm just going to bake my face, so you just put your baking powder where you have highlighted.